I'm going to show you how to use Noodle Tools to create the bibliography for your 7th grade Civil War research papers. On the home screen of Noodle Tools, I have my projects. I've already created a sample project called Women of the Civil War. When I click on that, information about my project appears. I was able to input my research question and my thesis or main claim, and the history of my project appears, when I created the project and when I've updated it. Today, however, we're going to focus on the component called Works Cited, and this is integral in developing your bibliography for your research project. Now, as I understand, you're required to have a minimum of 3 resources. So, I've gone ahead and done a search on Harriet Tubman in the Kids Search through the Badger Link site. So we're going to create a citation for this source. So let's go ahead and click on Works Cited. And we need to pick what our source type is. If we look here, you'll see that our source type is from a database. It's an article, and it's from America's Civil War, July 2003 issue. So let's go ahead and click Database so you get experience making a citation of this type. Database, create a citation. Alright, it gives me a prompt. What type of source am I using from a database? Well, we've established that it's a magazine article. So we're going to go ahead and click on Magazine, and a template will appear in which will help give us prompts so that we know what information is necessary to create a citation. First information needed is the name of the database. History Reference Center. Let's go ahead and copy and paste that in. Most recent date of access, that's today, is when I access the website. That's done for me. The URL, that's given to me here under persistent link to this record. I'm going to go ahead and copy that and paste it in here. Alright, now we move on to the article. Article authors. We've got 2. So I'm going to head and type in the first name of the first author, Tim Rowland, and then because there is an additional author, I need to click on Add Another Contributor, and I'm now going to type in Elizabeth Rowland's name. You always want to give both authors credit. Next, we input the article title. Maryland memorializes Harriet Tubman. We'll copy that and we'll paste. Now I'm glad this happened. You see the exclamation mark came up and a suggestion bar. The first letter of the word memorializes should most likely be capitalized. So let's go ahead and do their suggestion and make this capitalized, and you'll notice the red squiggly line disappeared. Whenever you see that, that alerts you that either there's a spelling error or something needs to be capitalized. Alright, now let's go to the name of the magazine. America's Civil War. Copy and paste. And the publication date. It's very common just to have the month and the year. So we'll type in July and the prompt will come up. Click on that and go to the year 2013. Now we've got all the key information. We can go ahead and click Submit, and a citation will be generated for us. Earlier I selected the type of citation or the form of citation that I wanted as the MLA. So that is the format in which the information has been presented for us. So, as you can see, now we have 2 sources, both magazine articles. We're off to a good start in creating our bibliography. We'll get 1 more, and we'll be well on our way to creating a well-researched paper.